Crash course on Japan's healthcare systems. Why does Japanese live so long as #1 longest life countries in the world? According to the World Health Organization's 2021 statistics, here are top longest life countries in the world. 1. Japan 84.6 years. 2. Switzerland 83.8 years. 3. Spain 83.4 years. 4. Italy 83.3 years. 5. Australia 83.3 years. 6. Singapore 83.1 years. 7. Iceland 82.9 years. 8. Israel 82.8 years. 9. South Korea 82.7 years. 10. France 82.7 years. For Japanese, the longest life expectancy depends on a number of factors such as lifestyle, genetics, access to healthcare, and environmental conditions. Firstly, Japan has a universal healthcare system which provides access to affordable medical care to all citizens and residents. The system is funded by a combination of government subsidies, employer contributions, and patient co-payments. The government sets the prices for medical procedures and services, which helps to keep costs low. One unique aspect of Japan's healthcare system is its emphasis on preventative care. Regular checkups and health screenings are encouraged, and the government provides subsidies to companies that implement health promotion programs for their employees. The emphasis on preventative care helps to catch health problems early on and promote healthy behaviors. Another factor contributing to Japan's longevity is the country's culture of healthy living. Japan has a diet that is rich in fish, vegetables, and whole grains, which has been linked to lower rates of heart disease and cancer. Additionally, Japan has a tradition of practicing martial arts and engaging in outdoor activities, which helps to keep people active and physically fit. Japan also has a strong focus on public health education. From an early age, Japanese children are taught the importance of good hygiene and healthy habits. The government also runs public health campaigns to encourage healthy behaviors, such as quitting smoking and getting regular exercise. One interesting aspect of Japan's healthcare system is its use of technology. Japan is known for being a leader in healthcare technology, with innovations such as robot nurses and electronic medical records. These technologies help to improve the efficiency and quality of care. Overall, Japan's emphasis on preventative care, healthy living, public health education, and healthcare technology all contribute to the country's high life expectancy. One example of Japan's unique approach to healthcare is the concept of ikigai, which roughly translates to reason for being. This concept emphasizes the importance of finding purpose and meaning in life, which is seen as a key factor in promoting overall health and well-being. In Japan, seniors are encouraged to stay active and engaged in their communities through volunteer work and other activities, which helps to promote a sense of purpose and connection. Another interesting story is that of the town of Agimi in Okinawa, which is known for having a high number of centenarians. The town's residents have a tradition of practicing moai, which involves forming social support groups with friends and neighbors. These groups provide emotional support and a sense of community, which is believed to contribute to the town's longevity. Here are 12 Japanese healthy habits that are believed to contribute to the country's long life expectancy. 1. Eating a balanced diet. Japanese cuisine typically includes a variety of fresh vegetables, fish, and whole grains, which are low in saturated fats and high in nutrients. 2. Practicing portion control. Japanese meals tend to be smaller in portion size compared to Western meals, which can help to prevent overeating and promote healthy digestion. 3. Drinking green tea. Green tea is a staple in Japanese culture and is believed to have numerous health benefits, including boosting metabolism and reducing the risk of heart disease. 4. Walking and biking. Japanese cities are designed for walking and biking, which encourages people to stay active and maintain a healthy weight. 5. Practicing mindfulness. Zen meditation and other forms of mindfulness practices are popular in Japan and can help to reduce stress and promote mental well-being. 6. Eating fermented foods. Fermented foods such as miso, natto, and pickled vegetables are a common part of the Japanese diet and are believed to have numerous health benefits, including improved digestion and a stronger immune system. 7. Soaking in hot springs. Japan has numerous natural hot springs, or onsen, which are believed to have healing properties and promote relaxation. 8. Taking frequent breaks. In Japan, it is common to take frequent breaks throughout the day, which can help to reduce stress and prevent burnout. 9. Sleeping well. Getting enough sleep is seen as an important part of overall health in Japan, and many people prioritize a good night's sleep. 10. Practicing martial arts. Martial arts such as karate, judo, and aikido are popular in Japan and can help to promote physical fitness and mental discipline. 11. Spending time in nature. Japan has numerous parks, gardens, and forests, which provide opportunities for outdoor exercise and relaxation. 12. Forming social connections. Japanese culture places a strong emphasis on social connections and community, which can help to promote mental health and a sense of purpose. These are just a few of the many healthy habits that are common in Japan and contribute to the country's long life expectancy. In summary, Japanese people live the longest in the world due to a combination of factors such as a healthy diet, active lifestyle, strong social connections, and a culture that values mindfulness and relaxation. The Japanese diet, which is low in saturated fats and high in nutrients from fresh vegetables, fish, and whole grains, is believed to be a major contributing factor. Additionally, walking and biking as well as practicing martial arts are common activities in Japan, which helps maintain physical fitness. The country also values social connections and community, which helps to promote mental health and a sense of purpose. Lastly, the Japanese culture places a strong emphasis on relaxation and mindfulness practices such as meditation and soaking in hot springs. All of these factors contribute to the country's long life expectancy. Here are song how Japanese stay healthy and live longer. Verse 1. In the land of the rising sun. They have a way to stay forever young. Their secret's out, it's plain to see. The Japanese have the recipe. Chorus. They eat balanced meals, they walk and bike. Green tea and fish, they take a hike. Fermented foods, and hot springs too. Meditation, it's all they do. Verse 2. They practice mindfulness every day. Take frequent breaks and get their rest. Martial arts are part of their way to keep their bodies at their best. Chorus. They eat balanced meals, they walk and bike. Green tea and fish, they take a hike. Fermented foods, and hot springs too. Meditation, it's all they do. Bridge. Nature and social connections. Community and purpose, they give direction. Their way of life, it's also clear. A long and healthy life, year after year. Chorus. They eat balanced meals, they walk and bike. Green tea and fish, they take a hike. Fermented foods, and hot springs too. Meditation, it's all they do. Outro. So come and join the Japanese way. Live a long and healthy life, each and every day. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?ad equals 7989335 as a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please watch more interesting videos here.